Today topic is Karnaugh map. Karnaugh maps. Karnaugh maps. The Karnaugh map is a virtual display of the fundamental products. Simply we call it as a Karnaugh map. Simply we call it as a K-map. K-map is a visual display of K-map is a visual display of fundamental products. Needed, which are needed, fundamental products which are needed for a sum of product solutions. Sum of product solutions. Sum of product solutions. For example, we convert the following two variable logic. We convert the following two variable logic table into K-map. K-map is a visual display of fundamental products needed for a sum of product solutions. For example, we convert the following two variable logic table into K-map. Take an example table. How many variables? Two variables. Let it be named as A and B. These are the two variables and logic of it is taken as an output. For these inputs, two inputs, how many ways? Four ways. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. For this, I am taking like this logic. Only these two cases. Only these two cases. Inputs A is equals to 1, B is equals to 0. Then only the output will be 1. And also cases when A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1. Also the output getting as a 1. Like this I am considering the truth table of the logic. Example as truth table of the logic. For this we construct the two variable K-map. Construct the two variable K-map using sum of products method. Construction of two variable K-map using sum of product. sum of products method. The sum of product methods simply we call it as a SOP method. Sum of products. So sum of products method simply call it as a SOP. For the construction of two variable K-map using SOP method, we must follow the following steps. We must follow the following steps. Step 1. Step 1. First we draw the block K-map. First we draw the blank K-map. Blank K-map, nothing but a Karnaugh map as shown in figure. As shown in figure. And note that variables and their complements. In the figure, must and should first we note that the variables and the complements. In two variable K-map, in two variable K-map, the vertical column has A bar followed by A. A bar followed by A. And next horizontal row as B bar followed by B. B bar followed by B. Step 1. What is the step 1? First we draw the blank K-map as shown in figure. In that figure, how you draw the K-map? In two variable K-map, vertical column. This is the vertical column has A bar followed by A, and horizontal row as B bar followed by B. For this logic, step 1. What is the step 1? First you draw the let it be figure A. So step 1. For this, first we draw the blank K-map. Like this, vertical column and horizontal row. The vertical column has A bar followed by A bar followed by A. And next horizontal row has B bar followed by B. Like this, first we draw the blank K-map. This is the step 1. And coming to the step 2, now look at for the output. Now look for output ones. Now look at for output ones in the truth table. In the truth table. This is the truth table. Truth table. First, what you do first? Output 1. First, output 1 appears. First, output 1 appears. Where the output is appears? Here. First, here. For this, A value is 1. A is equals to 1. B is equals to 0. Only we look at the output 1 only. We observe only where the output is 1. For that, we note the values of A and B. Values of A and B appears for. What is the value of A here for this? A is equals to 1. A is equals to 1. B is equals to 0. A is equals to 1. B is equals to 0. For this we write the fundamental product. The fundamental product of this input. The fundamental product of this input combination is what the input combination A is equals to 1, B is equals to 0. So that's why here A is equals to 1. So we put A only. For 1, we put A as A only. And next we what method we used here? SOP. Sum of products. SOP. Sum of products method. So here product A dot B is equals to 0. So that's why we consider B bar. B is equals to 0. So that's why we consider B bar. A dot B bar. A dot B bar. And after writing the fundamental product of input, and next just we enter this fundamental product into K-map. Enter this fundamental product on K-map. This is the step 2. Step 2. Already step 1 completed up to horizontal row, vertical column A bar A. Coming to the second step, now look at for output ones, and first output appears for the A is equals to 1, B is equals to 0. Then you write for this fundamental product. The fundamental product what you get? A dot B bar. A dot B bar. Here A is there. A dot B bar. This point. Here you put 1. Put here 1. A dot B bar. A dot B bar. This is the step 2. This is the step 2. And coming to the step 3. Remaining B bar B, A bar. Up to here, second step completed. Coming to the third step, what we do now? Similarly, the truth table. Where we have the output appears as 1. For all that, we write the fundamental product. Similarly, look at for output in the truth table. Remaining output 1 appears for where the remaining output appears. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1. For this, the fundamental product of this input combination E, both are 1 only. Both inputs are high. So that's why A dot B. For this, the output is A dot, the fundamental product is A dot B. Enter this fundamental product on the K-map. Coming to the K-map, for the third step, A dot B. Sorry, A bar A. For that, A bar B. A dot B. A dot B. You put here 1 like this. That is the third step. And next coming to the, this is the third step. And coming to the step 4, figure B, figure C, and coming to the step 4, remaining all places. The final step is remaining all spaces filled with the 0. The final step is enter the zeros, fill the zeros in remaining space. In remaining space. So finally step 4, B bar B, A bar A. First you put up to third step and remaining spaces. As a filled with a 0. This is the Karnaugh map for the 2 variable. We simply call it as a 2 variable K map. Like this we filled the 2 variable K map. It consists of 4 steps, or generally we consider as a 3 steps only. First we draw the blank K map. Like this for any 2 variable truth table. For any 2 variable truth table, just we draw like this blank K map. Horizontal row has B bar followed by B. Vertical column A bar has A bar followed by A. Next step 2, you fill the fundamental products. Look at once where the output appears as 1. Fill the fundamental products of these. Here A, B is 0, so that's why A, B bar. And next both are 1, so that's why A dot B. So step 4 is the remaining spaces are 0. Remaining spaces are 0. Like this we draw the K map. For this we write logic y is equals to. For this we write, for this 1 here. What are the fundamental products? A dot B bar, A dot B bar plus A dot B. This is the logic for the output. Y is equals to A dot B bar plus A dot B. Based for this truth table we get the logic y is equals to a dot b bar plus a dot b by using K-map SOP method.